And today, Carter and I are going to be showing you this fingerboard skate park. That's right, this is the little miniature skate park that you put together, and you can get out your fingerboards and do tricks and flips and all kinds of really cool stuff. And it says that it's die cast with plastic. So we'll have to see what's die cast and what's plastic. What we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera down, we're going to open this up, Carter and I are going to put it together, and we're going to show you how it works. So let's get into it. So I can see right off the bat that we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different skateboards. We will look at them all. We're going to go ahead and start opening up these different parts of the park and put it all together. All right, I got the first one done. You can see you have a ramp. You also have a little platform up here with a grinding rail at the top. And these little ramps on the front right here, they can be removed in case you want to tie this into a different obstacle. Or you can just snap it in like that and use it independently. All right, here's part of like a half pipe. You have a grind rail on top. You have a ramp right here. Then you have a little double stacked platform. And what's really cool about these is they already come with all the graffiti and the decals on them already. So you don't have to put any of that on there. Seems like every one of these comes with a set of wheels and accessories for the skateboards and little connectors to connect these obstacles together. All right, so here's another one of the obstacles. You can see it's a little double ramp with 2 grind rails on top. And here's the last piece right here. You can see that you have dual ramps right here. This one has a grind rail on top. And so what we're going to go ahead and do real quick is we're going to go ahead and put together a little miniature skate park. We're going to configure all these together, and then we're going to show you, or Carter's going to demonstrate to you how it works. He's the fingerboarder in the house. All right, start designing your skate park, Carter. And while Carter's doing that, even though you get 6 skateboards, we got 3 different designs. We got this design right here. And then we got this design right here. Now, when it said die cast, it was referring to the trucks of these skateboards. They do have metal trucks and the plastic wheels. Here's the third design. And you can see that they do have the grip tape on top as well. And they come with the extra wheels and tool kits. That way you can make repairs, swap wheel colors, and other cool things like that. And you can see too that you also get this cool skateboard stand for displaying all your different boards. All right, so Carter put his little skate park together. He also swapped up some wheels. Tell him what you did and how you did it.
I got the little wrench in the bag and I took the nut off of 2 wheels and I put the black wheels that it comes with on this board.
Yep, so you do have blue and black wheels. You got little wrench sets for all the skateboards. So there's plenty of pieces for swapping parts around and plenty of spares, that's for sure. All right, so how do you fingerboard, Carter? Let's see you try it. So as you can see, this little set's going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different obstacles. It's going to give you 6 skateboards. If you had 6 kids in the house, you could technically give them each a section of the park and each a skateboard, and they're all going to have a great time. Or you can combine it together and have little competitions and fun. It's a great little toy. It's going to be great for those rainy days. And your kids, if they're into fingerboarding, this is going to be the perfect starter set for them to get going. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.